hold on.
No, baby, need support. Me don't so. What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and tonight we will be doing a little story time on the
First time we kiss.
and I'm here with
Me. You're here with me. Come and do the thing.
I'm here with Jason. Anyways, it was 2016. 2016 of it was on his ex-birthday. Long story short, upon his ex-birthday, it was November 5th. And I don't know how it gets to happen. I think it was a Thursday, Friday.
Let's see.
I think
November 5th was the Saturday.
A Saturday? Well, it was that day.
Was that? I was that night.
Night. Yeah, you remember? It was that night. We did a message before that. We never confirmed our relationship the same day we start talk. But we did a message. We did have this good conversation. It is nice. And I accidentally call him babe. I accidentally say, babe, good night. And I don't know from there, so him head must swell up and him feel special. But I think I did ask for link up, or you did ask. I cannot remember.
I think I did me though.
Are you? Well, one we did ask for link up, and it was you.
Me.
You, and we said we are gonna walk. Them the time that we used to walk. Probably that's our relationships are nice, because we walk and we talk. Walk on the whole scheme. Well, not the entire scheme, but we walk and we talk. And them have this school, Mineralites Primary. We normally go over there, so go sit down and watch the boy them
play ball on the court.
Yeah, play ball on the court. And after everybody did gone home, me and him did stay back. Him did have this black sweater. I don't know why, but me like black hoodie.
I have black hoodie like. Eh? I brown I like.
Black.
What did you write on that?
New
sweater?
York.
New York. Remember?
Yeah, so him did have that sweater that me did love it. Anyways, him come meet me, and we went over to school. We did watch the boys them play football, and then they left, and then me and Jason did that, and him go sit down on this rail. What you call that, rail?
The rail, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to sit down on this rail, and I stand up right in front of him. And what did they talk? I remember the first question him say, "What your favorite color?" You remember?
Yeah.
He asked me what my favorite color, and I said purple and brown. And then I said, "What your favorite color?" And he said blue. I was just there talk and ask each other questions. Then the questionnaire did come up. Jason did say, "Which month you born?" I said February. And Jason, you born February? And I said, yeah, I'm born February. And he said, February how much? And I said 10th. And he said, I'm born February. No, you did not go on extra like, me no.
Yo.
No, you didn't go on extra other than yo. Then I said, then him said, I'm born February 7th. And I said, oh, well, the first thing in common. Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah, we have the first thing in common, and we just did there chat and chat. Jason and the one where they kiss me, and me kiss him, and him hold up my face like this. I was standing.
I kiss you.
He like kiss. Me remember. We asked me.
Try remember, because me remember. See your first kiss, you remember.
Me don't remember we asked me.
You really not gonna try remember. It was the sweetest thing and you forgot.
Yeah, I feel bad.
I feel worse, let me tell you.
I don't remember, babe.
Can I feel your lips against mine?
So you laugh at?
No, wait.
No, him we said that I really don't remember, but me believe say we said that because Jason is slick with the words them. If me did fool, me I tell you, Jason
we are tell him what talk.
If me did fool me that I can't say it. I can't. But if me did stupid Jason would have tell me everything in a word and have me running finger. Me don't know where Jason getting lyrics them from. Them no ordinary. That's all. But yeah, if you say you did ask me that, I cannot remember. But me remember when I did stand up in front because I was shorter and then you did the up eye and you hold up my face like this. This is the sweetest thing. If you want me fall in love with you, do this to me.
I didn't know say that before do.
I mean, it's coincidence. I don't feel like I did do it because they know that I like it. I feel like I did do it because I was standing right in front of you.
It was the perfect moment. You did it right in front of me. Yeah. You have to brace it up.
Did you love that?
You know what I wanted to video do? You just want to get you that bit.
No. But yeah. And him hold up my face. Him did hold up my face and kiss me. And that did sweet.
You just say kiss you like no magic, no butterfly, no nothing.
Yeah, but if you go,
so explain the kiss to them that they want here.
So how to explain the kiss?
Oh, me chops.
No, it was I want to call it a French kiss, tongue and all. But I got one of those kiss. Jason love kiss.
Tongue and all. I mean, what a girl!
Yes!
It's like me I wonder if I make kiss like when you start the story so like a different man and he come back to me then no hold on.
No baby, this suck up.
Me not suck what? Me not suck out nothing. Babe. Babe.
Baby suck up me too.
Babe, the first me tell you something. You say
me hate that word.
Me hate that too. That's why me babe 99.9% of the time when you kiss me, you flick your tongue in my mouth. Every time you kiss me, I use my lip them. You just like you want to choke me. So don't do that. Me never suck out. You suck out me. Me never suck out nothing. You're embarrassed yourself. You know me. But I'm a lips. Me use kiss your lips, babe. Me never fling your tongue in your mouth. That does nasty.
Well, I guess I made it do it here because I can't remember.
Yeah, but I can remember. That's why I listen to your story to see if you remember.
I'm like that for real.
You like that for real?
I'm like that for real.
What are you like?
I'm not gonna deny it.
Deny what?
I kiss like that. Not
so everybody get the type of kiss you
no, get? Not everybody.
And no, everybody attack get the type of kiss.
No.
No. I had to ask.
Because we didn't have ex when I like kiss.
Oh, so all of them would get it then?
Not really, but if something I hear a thing, I just hear a thing.
What does that mean?
I mean, me never did like OD on it. Me just did.
You never OD if our first kiss?
No.
No, you never OD if you.
You kiss me and me go in it. Go in it. Daddy.
Yo, when you kiss the Iandra, a tip. Where are you tip for?
Cause it did feel good, and then me did real. I have a thing about me. We probably need to do the ads then. We always compare video. Where is it? I caught my boyfriend cheating. That's when I decided to call Psychic Donna.
So about that?
Donna. Alright, I have this thing about me. Me easy for love, and it's not a good thing.
You love anybody?
No, me not love anybody.
Me never should ask you that.
No, me not love. You know that. You know me. Me not love.
No, me just should ask you that. But easy for love.
Me easy for fall in love. It's like if me and your reason and the relation, the conversation are going and all of that. It's like me start to like you, not love you, but me really start have to like butterflies and all. Me all time-ish so.
Man will love reason.
No, not like that, babe. You're not getting it.
Cause you're not explaining.
Alright. Like me and your example. Like no random guy can just come in and my DM come or in and my message come and make a reason and fall in love. We did already have something at one place we know we did like each other. And all me get for like Jason at the weirdest way. Because me never used to follow him or nothing, and my ex make me really like follow Jason, because he did always accuse me of talking to Jason. I mean, so who is this Jason though? And from that me just start following him. but me start follow Cheds first. And then me start follow you. Me I say, I like him in can par with.
You would never say that.
Me know, me know.
Never say that.
But me I say, he can work. And then me start to like him because we start to have like conversations. And me used to see him a lot. But when me see him, me used to think him a walk with him mama. Him mommy with it always. I say, oh, this is mama's boy. Nothing is wrong with mama's boy. But
you see, I try this thing.
Me did I say, oh, this is mama's boy and all of that. But back to the first kiss. As Mr. Jesse kissed me, me did go in it. I'm like that. Me no hold deep on it though, cause that disgusting. I really hate that. Don't try kiss me and all over me and make my mouth get wet and all of that. Me hate that. Biggest turn off for me.
Done that?
No, and I appreciate that. But me will like one and two things.
When you a kiss?
Yeah.
Let's not go there.
And you don't like it?
Sometimes. I like it all the time, but when me know in a vibe to ramping.
Me never did a ram. But they are kids.
Oh.
But yeah, we kiss out. And then the reason why I did like going at it, because I'm afraid for talking now. As I said, I don't want to see it. I did single for a very long time before me and Jason start talk. And me did
say, can you do that tell me every day, 1 year, then me hear it now. You did what?
Huh?
You did what?
Me did thirsty.
I know that me 1 year.
No.
Me say it then.
Say it.
She did the honey.
I never did really like that. But me did single for a while before me and Jason start talk. Me did flirt 1 and 2 times. But me have a thing about me where me can't just talk to anybody. Me have to reason first and me have to talk and we have to say, alright, this is something that you want, or my spirit have to really take you. I don't know, I work with my spirit, people are going to have a hard time around me because I'm not really me, I'm a spirit. But we did kiss and it was good. As I said, I did go in there because if I not tell you no, Jason I go tell you no. Because I did really feel him at the time because we did communicate before. Time. Yeah, but I can't say.
Okay.
But I did feel him, still I feel him. But
what am I gonna do?
Hey, come on, man.
If I feel me today and I feel me tomorrow, we just go and feel.
It did good. It did good. And then after that, we did just stop and start reasoning again. But what we like to eat, what we not like to eat. But family. We did reason about everything. I mean, appreciate that.
Our first kiss was within 5 days.
Yeah. When I start messaging, we start message before November now. I hope you know that, you know.
Oh, you know
we
that.
start message from the last part of October. Yeah.
What I mean, so we skip it wherever that was.
It just make it days longer.
Listen,
we kiss.
No, listen, let me tell you. We did a message before, but when you're dating.
Let me tell you, me go into that testimony here, because I know we probably feel better. Anybody who go through this, we feel better. Once upon a time, I used to have people where I thought, about, no, don't meet this guy on the it is risky. It is risky. Remember pause and say that it risky bad. But you always have this one friend or this one family member, or, well, cousin of the one family member. Oh, if you meet him today, you can't do this, you can't do that, Them the days are long gone for me, honestly.
Or just because you're one workout?
No, overall, even before you, I was like that.
Oh,
the reason why all of my relationship, them always, I mean, how am I to explain it without sounding weird?
Explain this.
It's like when I have to wait for 1 good 6 months to say, alright, we are date or whatever. And no, I say that wrong because me not like when we start talking somebody asks me, then what are we? That's the biggest turn off for me. Wet kiss, when you ask me what are we, don't ever try to complicate the situation. If me have a good ass conversation and you go ask me, so where we go from here? So just know that you're not gonna hear back from me. If you hear back from me, I go tell us, you know, you should do that. Like, you just should do that. Don't ask me. I not like that. But in a married relationship, them is like, we just reason and it just happen. We not ask each other where we go from here. So it's like me not know if I'm me. You can comment and tell me how you feel about it, but with me no want we talk about what we are going to go from here, so what we are going to do from here, so me hate that, me no want that to happen, none at all. With me and Jason, there was never a time when we confirmed the relationship. Never. We talk for months and we not confirm the relationship, but you know what? Respect was there, and we just did it with reason. We hang out, we go out, we go eat,
we go consume.
We just consume me eat because I'm not smutty. It's like we never yet try to complicate it, and I love them stuff there. I love them things there. So I feel like my relationship them always, well, with me and Jason relationship, it did work out because that did happen. I think one before that too, and the same thing did happen.
Which man before that?
Him and
what?
You know who, babe?
Oh, yeah, oh, to me, I say, me like your boss this time. Man, you know, man. Man, I whisper to you vlogs, and I see your mouth.
But yeah, just don't ask me what. Don't ask me if we're boyfriend and girlfriend. Don't ask me if. Don't ask me if. So me can come. No, no ask me no question. Don't ask me them question.
You never ask that, but man slide in a day.
Me no want nobody ask me them question, but at the same time, as me say, me hard for deal with, cause you have to learn to appreciate some stuff, and you have to learn to. Me no want sound unfair and selfish, but just not ask me if we're together. Like with me and Jason, we communicate, we reason, we chat, we link up, we take long walks and we chat, and then we just kiss. And after the kiss, we still never did agree to no relationship. We just did it. Just a talk same way, like everything is okay.
And them long walks, and me slide in a DM, you know, cause peer reason me kill with, you know.
But yeah, the first kiss did good.
Reasoning man in she old.
I felt.
Reasoning man in she old, she like that.
I felt it felt so good.
It felt.
Yeah.
I find out you have a shady, you know. It felt.
Babe, the kiss, the first kiss did
no,
feel
but you have to say
good.
make it sound like it's still a hot music. I don't like how that song. It felt. It felt good and it still feels good.
All I kiss them feel good. And then every time they feel good either.
Me glad you say it because
Babe,
all of your kiss them feel good.
there.
Yeah, because all of your kiss them feel good, so I just that. You don't know say that?
But the first kiss did feel good and it never did wet, and I did appreciate that. Me not like
it never, babe, none of our kiss them never wet, so stop talking about like, you see?
Some of them did wet. 2 did wet. Wet up from 2016 and I remember 2 did wet. I mean, I remember how they did wet.
Don't bother with your slap this.
No, it's nothing slow.
How them do wet? Don't whisper. You know, say, be a chicka chicka chicka, that me and your man. What? Talk again. Yo, I could talk after this, because I not hear you yesterday.
Alright, come one more time.
Move for yourself, move for yourself. I tell your mother.
Tell her.
That me I got to tell her.
Tell her. But yeah, the first kiss did feel good. I not even know if me stray away from the topic here, but as I say, first kiss did feel good. I not like wet kiss. Don't ask me what are we, because them they're the 2 biggest turn off. And we kiss pan Jason ex-birthday, something that I'm not proud of. but life a reality and things happen, and that is not something when me glad to happen, but at the same time, shh, that is not something when me glad to happen, but it happened on that day. And I know like me never did go in them relationship. Me never did. I am not the reason, and I am proud to say I'm not the reason. It's just that a coincidence when it just happened like that.
I just feel like she feels that you're the reason.
I I know, me feel like that too. I am not. I am really not. It just did happen. You see, the devil at work, you know? The devil at work. Because out of every day, then why that day though?
Why that day what?
Like November the 5th, everything.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either, but I'm not the reason. Them did break up before me and Jason start talk. And me love my relationship with Jason, I'm not gonna lie. And I just bought the whole or all of that. Is the friendship is just good. Sometimes I feel like I want to start over from scratch because the feeling the way you get before, it feels so good. So I know me sound silly now, but I
want to start over from scratch because
I don't want to start over because the way I build it good, but the feeling them when you just start talking to somebody where you really like, I mean, they really like Jason because I did check him out from a long time ago.
I keep on hear me did really like it, and it's like it don't bother me now. You know, still love me.
I they really like Jason, but you know, yeah. So that happened on my first kiss. When we link up, I think I just asked, and we link up, we walk, watch your boy them play football, and then
that was so romantic.
Them leave. We kiss, we chat, we talk about what each other like, and after that we go home. We'll go back, go chat again like we'll never see each other. Them days that they feel so good, and then I think it was a couple weeks after stuff happened and other stuff happened and stuff just continue to happen. And here we are, December 20th 2019, and that was November 5th 2016. We confirm everything, and we still never say to each other like, you know, so we are talk. That didn't you realize?
Never say. We
never yet say we in or something. But yeah, just comment and tell me about phone and first kiss. I really want to know. Since I don't have the YouTube channel, you can always comment and tell me about the first kiss. Because I like them story there.
I like them story there too. So
thanks for the support, guys. My day 4.7k. Really appreciate it. I promise me I go post. Sometimes because me tired, and that's why video them always a record so late, because now is I can't see time. You know, focus. It locked. 10:58. The time is 10:58. It late, and just didn't want to come chat with you know. I have some other videos to record. Yep. But me didn't want to come chat with you know for my first kiss.
Story time.
Because me love talk and me want to hear from the business too. So I want to tell me about the first kiss and other stuff. One and a like, what turn and off.
I'm gonna do a video of the biggest turn offs.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
This is my boo. You kiss.